With the 31st March deadline approaching for the ban on single-use plastics, Senator Dr. Joyelle Clarke, the Minister with responsibility for sustainable development, environment and climate action, commended public and private sector partners that collaborated and cooperated on the multi-year journey towards the ban on single-use plastics in the Federation when she spoke at a recent sitting of the National Assembly of St. Kitts and Nevis. While recognizing the convenience that such products brought to everyday life, it is now well understood that single-use plastics have highly unacceptable environmental impacts affecting terrestrial and oceanic ecosystems, bringing environmental harm for humans as well as for marine life. Dr. Clarke outlined the scope of the problem in her remarks.
But about 20% of plastic is not properly collected and ends up as litter. For a small island developing state, yes, thank you, these are our cells of plastic at the St. Kitts, the Solid Waste Management Corporation landfill, getting ready to be baled, but this is what we generate every single year. Yes. So for St. Kitts and Nevis, such a large scale and often indiscriminate disposal of these inorganic items, the plastic bag, the bottle, the cup, the cutlery, the bottle cap, amongst other things, overpower our waste management systems and clogs our landfill. The problem of plastic emissions is most acute in countries where incomes are growing, like us here in St. Kitts and Nevis, where plastic consumption is growing, but waste management systems and infrastructures, as you can see, struggle to effectively deal with increasing consumption. Plastic waste on land can be managed, but for coastal mountainous countries like St. Kitts and Nevis, we have a serious problem, especially with oceanic plastic waste.
During heavy rains and storms, plastics are washed into the ocean where they create substantial hazards for marine life. Dr. Clarke received wide bipartisan support in the Parliament towards the successful passage of the legislation, the Plastic Waste Reduction Bill 2025, that will regulate and limit single-use plastic production and distribution in the country. Glenn Bart reporting for SK Newsline.